Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a short video showing a product that I purchased from X50 Flag Mount. It's hard to see in this picture, but the yellow flag is a Patriot Guard Rider Flag, which you can only purchase from the official Patriot Guard Store. And X50 Gene out in Wisconsin with X50 Flag Mount created what's called an end cap. So that end cap can be used to incorporate the PGR flag or any other flag that's restricted as far as being able to make it. And you can then use it on the X50 mount. So this is just a short video showing a demonstration how that works together. And you can see how the flag is performing. The flag on the left, of course, is the flag that came from X50 as well. But at the end of the video, you'll see kind of a short video of how the flag